Hey, Sam here again. I had a kitchen to cut up last week and I tried this lifting aid for the first time. I tell you, I was skeptical at first. However, I came away impressed enough that I thought I'd take some video and share this and some of my thoughts with you. There you can see me putting down kind of that first panel. The head of this is basically set at the table of the height of your table saw or a sliding table saw here. And it's rubberized and kind of sticky, and so that the plywood or any sheet good just sort of sticks to it. Now this is pre-finished plywood, which is a little slipperier, but it grabbed it just fine. Didn't have any problems. I imagine it'd be even better on unfinished plywood. But basically, I've got a really cramped space here, and so you can see I can't really just sort of pull them off the wall and down like you can in a larger shop, but I'm able to just basically take the sheet out and drop it on that, and it just balances. You kind of balance it and walk it up to the slider and slide everything into place. And if you got a little bit more room, you can actually use that as extra support to move along with the slider if your shop is situated as such. I don't really need it. I have all that extra support in a larger outrigger, so I don't need it when I'm actually cutting. But you can just see here the different angles here that I use to show you how easy it is to load this thing. And the big key is I no longer have to lift everything over my head and balance it precariously on a slider table and everything, and just you got this particular job was like 14 sheets I had to go through. So having to lift every one of those and get it over to the slider would have been quite a chore. But anyway, I'm going to shut up here in a second and just sort of let you watch it play out, and me using it, and a little quick tutorial on using a sliding table there with some sheet goods again for a refresher course, and let you guys take a look and see what you think. But I was real impressed. At the end, you can have some information. Stay tuned to look up the Crazy Horse website there. Thank you, and enjoy the show. Bye-bye.